Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PlayStation 5. So first thing we need to do is to be on the home screen and on the top menu, like locate the settings icon on the top. Now, the very first thing we'll check your PS5 connection. So open settings, then go to network, then select view PlayStation network status, then make sure all the features shown in green for the successful connection. Let's start by linking your Epic Game accounts. Open a web browser and head over to the Epic Games account. Log in the same account you use for Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. Once you logged in, double check your account details to make sure everything is ready for your Fortnite progress to carry over. Now turn on your PS5 and launch Fortnite. On the login screen, select link and account option. Then head to the website epicgames.com. Activate and on that screen, enter the code displayed on your PS5 screen. Now let's confirm account linking. Log in with your Epic Games account on the activation site. Verify that the correct account is linked by checking your progress and skins on PS5 after the login. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.